In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add non-Steam game to Steam Library and Play with wireless controller. Before we begin, make sure Steam is open on your computer and that the non-Steam game you want to play is already installed. This process works on Windows and Mac OS, and it lets Steam handle your controller through Steam Input, which supports popular wireless controllers like Xbox, PlayStation, and others. Start by going to your Steam library. You'll find Library at the top of the Steam window. This is where all your games live, including ones you add manually. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the window and click Add a Game. It's a small link or button that opens a quick menu with a few options. From that menu, choose Add a non-Steam game. Steam will scan for installed programs and show a list of apps it can detect on your system. If your game appears on the list, great, select it. If it doesn't, click Browse to locate it yourself. Navigate to the folder where the game is installed, then select the game's main executable file on Windows, or the app on Mac OS. If your game uses a launcher, pick the file that actually starts the game instead of an updater or configuration tool. You can adjust the display name later if needed. With your game selected, click Add Selected Programs. The game will now appear in your Steam library alongside your other titles. If you don't see it immediately, try filtering by games or searching its name in the search bar. Next, locate the game you just added, then right-click it to open the context menu. Choose Properties to bring up the settings window for this specific game. In the Properties window, click the Controller section. This is where you control how Steam handles your inputs for the game you selected. Under the Controller options, enable Steam Input. Depending on your Steam version, this may appear as an override setting. Choose Enable Steam Input for this title. What this does is route your controller through Steam's configuration system, which adds wide compatibility, button remapping, and consistent behavior across many games. For best results, make sure your wireless controller is already connected to your computer, either via Bluetooth or a wireless adapter, before launching the game. You're all set. Close the Properties window. Click play on your non-Steam game from within Steam and enjoy full controller support powered by Steam Input. If you ever need to fine-tune things, you can return to the game's properties or explore Steam's controller configuration to adjust layouts, sensitivity, and button prompts to your liking.